We need to document the patina on this leather before we clean it.
And as we peel this back, you can see the extent of the corrosion on the floor pan. We have to remove this entire section before we can weld the new support structure in place.
Introducing VEO3 Industrial Degreaser. Watch as thick grease and grime dissolve instantly, leaving your engine spotless. The key here is precision. We use a fine brass brush to meticulously remove the carbon buildup without damaging.
We are now installing the crucial bearings into the quad-turbo V12 block, ensuring perfect lubrication and alignment.
For the click, that's 50 foot-pounds on the first pass. Now moving to the center.
Easy now, just a few more millimeters. Copy that. Coming down slowly.
Look at that. It's taken everything right off the suspension arms.
The difference is night and day. Get the other side of the chassis rail.
This compound into the Blu Notte finish. See the fibers lift the imperfections away.
Make sure the seal is perfectly seated before the spring goes in.
Got it. Now for the torque specs.
And now we tighten the clamps, making sure the fuel lines are perfectly secure along the underbody.
Making sure the surface is absolutely flawless before the primer.
Check the laser gap now.
Point 02. Driver side needs adjustment.
The key is to keep the panel completely flooded with water. This lubricates the abrasive, preventing deeper scratches.
This second coat ensures a flawless, mirror-like reflection. The depth of the gloss is stunning.
The Blu Notte finish on this 1993 EB110 GT is flawless. Our VEO3 clear. The key is the slow, even pressure. See how the deep blue reflection sharpens as the oxidation is removed.
Perfectly balanced and torqued.
Millimeter by millimeter, guide it down.
It's seated. Releasing pressure now.
The Blu Notte
Flawless.
paintwork is immaculate. Getting this weather stripping just right is crucial for the restoration.
EB110 GT in Blu Notte. Watch the compound spread evenly as the reflectance begin to ripple across the surface.
Gently sweeping the seams of this beautiful Blu Notte leather. See the texture coming alive?
Applying the finishing compound now, working it in slowly to bring out that mirror finish.
And that is the final torque setting on the 1993 assembly.
And gently press, ensuring the adhesive locks perfectly into the Blu Notte finish.
Listen to that. Incredible. The turbos are singing.
Check the manifold pressure under the light.
Reads perfectly within spec. Incredible engineering.
The water glides across the Blu Notte paint.
Look at that reflection. Perfectly clear. This is why we use the best towels. We're using a high GSM microfiber here to bring out that flawless mirror clarity on the Blu Notte paint.
We are proud to present the culmination of our restoration efforts, the legendary Bugatti EB110 GT in deep
Blu
night.
Notte. See how the light bends across the flawless surface. A true masterpiece.
The sound of that V12 is pure music.